video is on payment of appeal fee. During an income tax assessment, there may be instances when the taxpayer is not satisfied with the order passed by the authority. In such cases, the taxpayer is entitled to file an appeal before the appellate authority. Let us first understand about income tax appeals and the forms to be used for filing appeal. The CBDT order under Section 246 subsection 6 dated 16th of June 2023 specifies the scope of e-appeal scheme under the Income Tax Act and provides appealable orders before JCIT appeals and CIT appeals under Section 246 and 246A. Such appeals shall be filed on e-filing portal in Form 35 within 30 days of serving of order or demand as the case may be. Further, as per Section 253 of the Income Tax Act, aggrieved party may also decide to file an appeal to ITAT against the order passed by JCIT appeals or CIT appeals. Appeal shall be filed to ITAT on ITAT website https://itat.gov.in in form number 36 within 60 days of the service of the order. Fee of filing appeal to ITAT shall be Rs 500 if demand is up to Rs 1 lakh or Rs 1500 if the demand is from Rs 1 lakh to Rs 2 lakh or 1% of the demand and maximum Rs 10,000 if demand is more than Rs 2 lakhs. The following orders are appealable before ITAT as a first appeal, that is, orders passed by the Jurisdictional Commissioner, orders passed by the Assessing Officer as per the directions of the Dispute Resolution Panel, orders passed by the Assessing Officer not appealable under Section 246 and 246A, penalty order passed by the Commissioner, application for stay of tax demands, and other miscellaneous applications for recall of orders. Let us now look at the fee for filing appeal in Form 35 to JCIT appeals or CIT appeals. The appeal filing fee depends upon the total income determined by the assessing officer in the assessment order. If the total income determined by the assessing officer is less than or equal to Rs 1 lakh, the appeal filing fee shall be Rs 250. If the income determined by the assessing officer is more than Rs 1 lakh but less than Rs 2 lakhs, the appeal filing fee is Rs 500. If the total income determined by the assessing officer is more than Rs 2 lakhs, the filing fee shall be Rs 1000. For other appeals, the filing fee is Rs 250. Please note that for filing an appeal before an income tax authority, the payment of appeal fee is a prerequisite. In order to make the payment of appeal fee on the e-filing portal, you are required to visit the e-filing portal, post login, go to ePay Tax Services, choose the major head as company or non-company. In the minor head, choose other receipts 500 and subtype as appeal fees. Please note, the fee payment should be in single challan and the challan will not be refundable. Let us now see step by step how do we make the payment of appeal fees. In order to make the payment of appeal fee, post login, go to e-file menu and click on ePay Tax. Now click on New Payment, select Income Tax Style and click on Proceed. You are required to select the assessment year, type of payment as other receipts 500 and select the radio button Appeal Fees and click on Continue button. Enter the amount of fee in others and click on Continue button. Select the mode of payment and then pay your fees. If you wish to file an appeal under TAN login, log in to the income tax portal with your TAN. In the e-file menu, click on ePay Tax. Again click on New Payment. Select the assessment year and go to Pay Fee Other Receipts 500. Select the assessment year and type of payment and select the radio button Appeal Fees and then click on Continue. Select Appeal Fees as subtype of payment and then click on Continue button. Enter the amount of fee applicable and then click on Continue button. Thereafter you can select the mode of payment of fee and then make the payment of your appeal fee. To know the step-by-step process of filing of appeals on the e-filing portal, refer video on how to file appeal under income tax in Form 35. To know more, you can visit our website www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.